So we got this situation. The coefficient of x power 9 in the expansion of this. Okay, now look at this question. So how we will approach, just try to understand. So we don't have anything in power, correct? And there is so many teams. There are 100 teams because the power of x is starts from 1 and ends at 100. Okay, so there would be 100 teams. So there exist 100 team, and you have to organize fight between the person whose product is having power as like x will take power as 9. So you know that, like, after x power 9, okay, means what I want to say, 1 power x, 1 plus x, then 1 plus x square, 1 plus x cube, dot dot dot, 1 plus x power 9. Only these 9% will contribute in fight. Okay, or you can also say that, sir, like I feel that after this team, no, only one will fight. So that is also true, but in that case you will get only one thing which is already being counted in this series. Okay, so like what I want to do is, I want to organize fight between one person. Okay, one person, and this one person means I will consider I will consider x power 0 as well. Okay, so I'll consider x power 0 means this person, this person, this person, means one from every team. Okay, first element of every team, correct, no? So one will fight with one will fight with one will fight with one, and everyone will be involved, and then he will fight with another one person who is having non-zero power. Okay, so can we go with x power 9, because I want to organize fight between two person, keeping this thing in our mind that the first person will take power x will take power as 0. Comfortable? Now, so this is one person game. Okay, now let's move on to two person game, and this time I'll make sure that only two person will fight. Okay, and both will be non-zero power. Okay, so can we go with x power 1 and x power 8? This here you have to apply hit and trial. Okay, so organize fight between 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, so on so forth. Okay, so first team done. Then x can take power 2, x can take power 7, x can take power 3, x can take power 6, x can take power 4, x can take power 5. Now you cannot organize fight, because now you will be writing what, x to the power 5, x to the power 4. So it is same thing, no? A is fighting with B or B is fighting with A, same thing. Okay, so I feel that fight between two person is done. Okay, now think about fight between three person. Okay, it's like a Royal Rumble. Do you remember WWE, where like there are so many person are involved? Okay, so suppose that three person wants to fight. I know that every person will have different powers. Okay, because A cannot fight with A. Okay, so and it should maintain non-zero power. So minimum power of x is 1, and then minimum power of next minimum power is 2. So already we have power as 3. Now next person who will fight is 6, x power 6. So these three person will fight. Okay, now next team, I will keep x as it is, and then I'll organize fight between these two, and I'll change the powers of these two things. So x power 3, so it is 4, then x power 5. Correct? Now, can I put, now again I'll change the power. So x power 4, x power 4. Can I do this? No, you cannot do that, because x power 4 will be unique na. You will have only one x power 4. So this fight is invalid. So what I'll do, I'll change the power of the leading element. Okay, now I have to change the power of next element as well, so I'll be dealing with the minimum one. So 2 3, so 5 is done, and then 4. Okay, so again you got 9. Now do you think you will have another team? No, I don't think so, because these three powers are consecutive and already you are at next game. Correct na? Means you cannot go beyond this part. And so the required coefficient, like in every case the coefficient will be 1 only, because no element, this 1 will not contribute in coefficient, this x will not contribute in x coefficient. Okay, so in every cases you will be having coefficient as 1. So 4 and 4, did we missed any? Okay, 4 3, I think we missed some case. Okay, no, I don't think so. Okay, so the required number is 4 4 is 8. Okay, so the coefficient of x power 9 in the expansion of this is 8. I hope the idea is clear. Okay, if you're not able to understand, please comment in chat box, so that we can help you guys. And also if you have any other interesting questions, please suggest us. Okay.